November photo dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And from my page you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you have to click until you find that story. And you will also find some viral stories, so you can check these too if you want. Like this one, for example, or this one. So there we have it, November photo dump. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah guys, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link if you are not able to click on the add yours button in the Instagram app. So now let's do our story. Go to your uploads and choose some photos from your November. I will go with some random photos of me because it doesn't have to be perfect for me, but you can do it perfect, guys. So once you added your first photo, to add the second photo, you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and then scroll down and click on the plus icon next to the camera. And now you can choose your second photo. So I will go with this one. You can place it where you want by using your two fingers. Then go again to stickers and choose another photo. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. And that's it. So yeah guys, now let me show you from where you can get that link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, go to super viral at highlights. And here they say not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.